guys and gals, welcome back to Doing Redneck Things Off Grid. We made some changes last night in the dark when it was easier to work. It wasn't so hot, so let me show you what we got going. Okay, this is our charge controller for the house. But not charge controller, yeah, charge controller for the house is there. This is our inverter for the house. As you can see, we turned it off because we hooked up the house to our new solar arrays that we hooked up today. So let me keep going to show you what's going on. Okay, over here, these batteries here are being charged by 880 watts on the roof. Being we're hooked to shore power, the transfer switches have disconnected this system from the house. And what I found out that you got to make sure that you don't do is, see these two wires here go to the house battery. Well, we found out that being we're on shore power, that is going to kick on your converter to the RV, which right now the way it's hooked up, so I have to disconnect these two from this main battery bank, because now I got a converter that, instead of charging one battery like it's supposed to, is trying to charge 3 batteries, and there's a possibility we could burn up the converter. So I have to come back here in a few minutes and disconnect this from the solar banks. So when we're on the road, I usually disconnect these so that the truck battery will charge the battery that's in there. So that's something that if you do and you have transfer switches like we do, you need to disconnect your main battery for your 12-volt lights so that your converter doesn't burn up trying to charge 400 amp hour batteries. So that's what I got to do in a few minutes here. So now let me go show it. Let's go see what we did on the other side. I'll get right back to you. Okay, this is our EP Ever charge controller that's running these solar panels above it. There's 1,000 watts there, and as you can see, we ran the batteries into the house, and that's the numbers for help running the house. They're run over here. I gotta clean all this stuff up. We've added this 1,000 watts, 4 250 watt panels, and they're running in to the building right there. And then the wires coming out are going from the batteries to this. We redneck engineered this last night. As you can see, we're on Absorb. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so we're on Absorb, so we finally got it, so we're running off the solar. We put it out here to help try to keep it cool, and I put it on the north side of the building so they run cool. So, well, the batteries come out of the building into this, so we're running a little bit cooler out here. The fan is going, but it's not near as hot out here as it is in the building. So let's show what we got in the building. Alright, as you can see, it's 108 in the building. Got a fan blowing on this. We have 9 batteries now, and we're running, because the converter's running, we're getting 830 watts that we're using. So that converter's drawing a lot of juice, so I have to disconnect those batteries for the converter. As you can see, we're running our draw is 11.8 off of the batteries, but all the batteries are charged, and we're okay, guys and gals. I've disconnected the house battery from the solar array, so that should take care of the the converter. Keep forgetting what I'm talking about. It should take care of the converter so we don't burn our converter up. That's a really important factor. When we had the solar and we had the transfer switches on, it kept the converter from going on. But now that we're on shore power, which we ran a temporary cable from here to the bathhouse, and eventually what we're going to do is go underground so we can put a plug on that side of the RV, so all we got to do is pull the cable out and plug it in. Alright guys, that's going to do it for now. Talk to you later. And we're running off the solar. So that is our new system. We're testing it out this week. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Support your troops. Get out and vote, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.